Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So today's video is going to be over this beautiful honey highlighted with the chocolate roots unit from Wiggins hair. Thank you Wiggins for sending this unit over. I sincerely appreciate it. I think this went really well with my complexion. I think it's super brown girl friendly. It went perfect with this makeup look. So I tried to do like a side part, and don't get me wrong, the side part did eat, but something about the middle part, I was just drawn to it more. But if you more of a side part girl, this still works for you. I just like the middle part better. But y'all see right there, I tried the side part. It was given, but like I said, the middle part was more my speed. This is a glueless unit, so we're gonna get into the install. As far as the review of it, I did pluck it. I did not bleach the knots. You have to be careful bleaching units that are colored, because they tend to come out kind of orange, and you don't want that. So no need to bleach the knots on this wig. Just pluck it to your liking. I plucked mine quite a bit, but to me it paid off. So we're gonna get into the unboxing. They sent over a few gifts, like lashes, a wig cap, a bag, like a satin bag to hold the wig. And yeah, so we're gonna get into these gifts unboxed, and then we are going to install this unit. Thank you again Wiggins for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. this is the final look. I absolutely love this. I wore this unit to work, and y'all, we made a bag. Okay, we made a bag. They were loving this hair. It was super cute, super natural. I did end up clipping the very end of it, just to give it a straight look, just trim, not actually cutting the hair, but just trimming it. But yeah, this is how it turned out. Absolutely amazing, super flat. Y'all know we love a flat install. But that is it for today's video. If you have any other questions or you want an updated review on this wig, make sure to drop that down below. Other than that, thank you again, Wiggins, for sending this unit over, and I'll see you guys in the next video.